Hello everyone. Online refresher course on biological science and technology organized by UGC HRDC Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad. My roll number is 1515. My micro teaching topic is cell type. Now, what do you mean by cell? Cell is nothing but that it is a structural functional unit of life. We call it the cell. Cell is nothing but that structural functional unit of life. The cell is firstly discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. This cell, this name is a Latin word, therefore the cell meaning is small room. We call it the small room. It's a Latin word. Cell is a Latin word, therefore it is called as the small room. Here what happened, the cell, on the basis of their cell types, a number of cells, the cell is two types of the organism on the basis of number of cells. Some are the, we call it the unicellular organism, some are the multicellular organism. Why we call it these multicellular organism and unicellular organism? Because those are the organism which consist of single cell. That type of organism we call it the unicellular organism. Those organisms is consist of multicellular, means many cells, consist of from the many cells. That type of organism we call it the multicellular organism. It is about the number of cells. The organism is also divided unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Now this cell is contained the protoplasm, and this protoplasm is enclosed with different type of the biomolecules such as the nucleic acid, protein, different types of the proteins are present, ribosome, Golgi apparatus, everything are enclosed in that protoplasm of that cell. That type of cells, mostly these cells are not naked by our normal eyes. They require the microscope. Therefore, these type of the cell is nothing but that microscopic one. It is a microscopic one. Mostly the cells are microscopic in their structure. On the basis of their structure, it is divided into two types of the cells on the basis of their structure: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Here what happened, these cells is divided into two types on the basis of their structure, and this is discovered by the Drake Dati in we call it the 1957. Drake Dati is discovered in 1957 on the basis of their structure. It is divided into two types. One is the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. What is the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic? Prokaryotic means that those cells having primitive cells. That type of cells we call it the prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells means what happened? Those are the true cells. We call it the true cells. Prokaryotic means primitive and eukaryotic means true cells. These prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, example of prokaryotic cell is the bacteria. All bacteria are included in the prokaryotic cells. And those are the eukaryotic cell. In that eukaryotic cell, those are the plant cell or animal cell included. That type of cells are included in the eukaryotic cell or true cells. Animal cells, example animal cells and plant cells. What is the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? In that prokaryotic cell, the nuclear membrane is totally absent. Means genetic materials, they are present into the cytoplasm. We call it the prokaryotic cells. In eukaryotic cells, they having the nuclear membrane. The genetic material is enclosed in nuclear membrane. that time that type of cells we call as the eukaryotic cells. This is the difference between the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cell. Again, very important point is that the chloroplast is present in the eukaryotic cell, but in eukaryotic cell only plant cells having the chloroplast. In prokaryotic cells sometimes they having the chlorophyll pigments, or chlorophyll pigments are scattered into that cytoplasm. It is the second difference between these prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. The prokaryotic cells, their size, it is very smaller as compared to the eukaryotic cell. Why they are smaller? Because the size of prokaryotic cells ranges from 1 to 10 millimeter, and the size of eukaryotic cells ranges from 10 to 100 millimeter. Means it is a smaller one. Eukaryotic cell is a smaller, eukaryotic cell is a larger one, and prokaryotic cell is a small one. It is the difference. Third difference. Here lysosome is present in the eukaryotic cell, and the lysosome is absent into the prokaryotic cell. Another difference is that in ribosomes are smaller in prokaryotic cell. It is around 50S ribosomes are present, and in case of eukaryotic cells 70S ribosomes are present. These are the difference. Another important difference is that here what happened, the nucleide is present and here the genetic material is present. Both they having the genetic material, but in case of this prokaryotic cell they having only the genetic material present in a DNA forms, but in case of the eukaryotic cell they having more than the one chromosomes are present, and the chromosomes are absent in the prokaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cell, these prokaryotic cells chromosomes are totally absent, but in case of eukaryotic cell more than the one chromosomes are present in the eukaryotic cell. These are the little bit difference between the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. You understand it? It's very easy. What is by cell? Cell is nothing but that structural functional unit of life. And these two types of these cells on the basis of the structure, it is divided into two types on the basis of their structure. One is the prokaryotic cell, another one is eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic means they are primitive cells, means absence of nuclear membrane, and in eukaryotic cells they having the genetic material enclosed in a nuclear membrane. Eukaryotic means true cells, isn't it? Thank you very much.